Hello kids, today we will learn counting from 1 to 10 with spellings. So let's start. 1 O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R E E 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E N 10 Let's repeat. 1 O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R E E 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E N 10 Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more fun learning videos. See you in the next class. Bye bye.